Hey everybody, I am in the 99-cent store and of course I'm gonna do my little walkthrough. I saw this, I thought this was super cute. You get 6 glitter bows and they're My Little Pony. Some little girl would love all of those little bows right there. I'm not sure who Sunny Day is, but they have that. And then I was looking at these My Little Pony keychains and you get 4 of them and they're slow rising squishies for $1.49. How cute are those? Yeah, that's the only ones I see are the My Little Pony. So yeah, so I just walked in and I started in the makeup section and we're gonna just see what is in here today. Oh, what is that? Expert Air Cushion Sponge. Used with your favorite cushion compact. Okay, that's different. They got some more Real Techniques right here. I think we saw these before. Smooth and Perfect, used with cushion compacts. 4 Miracle Blotting Cushions. They got Eco Tools or Eco Tools, however you want to say it, for $1.99. Best with bronzers and highlighters, and it makes contouring easy. Down here, pair with correcting concealers, Color Perfecting Minis. Okay. I think that's the brand Chermoya right here. Carbon Black Mascara. I like the packaging on that. And those are 99-cent. I do see these. They have some Milani. I remember when Dollar Tree used to get the Milani lip glosses. They were really nice. This one is called Amore Matte. So it is a matte lip cream. That's pretty. Let me see. I only see the one color in number 24 called Cherish. They do still have a lot of the Maybelline Color Jolt lip paints. Different colors. That one is Orange Outburst. You got Ready or Not, Never Bare, and then they got some more London Soho. I've been finding a lot of London Soho lately. This is really cute. A retractable kabuki. I couldn't say it. Retractable kabuki brush. That's cute. I like those. And then I think the last store I was at, they had, what did I show you guys? Something like this, but it came with a little pouch. But these are kabuki brushes that are bedazzled. Those are really pretty. Pink. Yeah, those are the only 2 colors I see. And then down here you got the Cream Shop, the Trifecta 3 mini blending sponges. They have a lot of brushes here as well as these. The $2.99 Boss Babe 4-piece set. And then there was another one. What was it? Your Magic or something like that. What does that say? Yeah, You Are Magic. So those are $3. This brush is nice. It's a powder brush. I like that one. They still have the sponge with the holder by Elite Beauty. $3. Then you got a lot of draws. They got some good deals on Hanes and stuff like that, or Fruit of the Loom. Not bad. And they got these right here. Get the Lift and Fit You'll Love for every woman. I don't believe that, because this cup size is super small. And that is a D. Now if we get into them double D's, then it'll be for every woman. These are $3. This one is kind of cute. It has like a butterfly shape to it. The ends of them are like scalloped. That one is just rounded. So if you're looking for one of these, they are here. They got the little string in the middle. And just like the men's draws, they do have a lot of women's Fruit of the Loom. These packs are $3 and they got up to 2X. I see some large sizes. You guys, look at this. Washer Wanda. She makes washing a wonder. Okay. Look at her. That is so cute. Of course, when you take it out, you're just gonna have the head and the, like the face and the, you know, the hair. And they have different ones, so you got different skin tones. Okay, Washer Wanda. You got her, and then you got her right there. Okay, these are cute. There's even one down there with pink hair. Look at that. I can't pull that one out, but these are so cute. Okay, on this end row, they got this dual-sided back scrubber. Back scrubber and massager all in one. Helps stimulate, circulate, massage sore muscles. Cleans, massages, and exfoliates. And it has 49 energizing nodules. Okay, Pacific for $6. And then they also have a massage foot roller for $3. Oh, look at that. As seen on TV, skin smoother. Okay, that's like one of those egg things, I think. And then what is this? Nina Silk patent crystal surface technology. Remove. Perfect for the upper lip, chin, eyebrows, and more. Okay, what is this doing? Okay, it says quickly remove unwanted hair. And that's what it looks like. Wow. Okay, that's definitely different. You glide, remove, and smooth. Okay. Okay, so I see they're adding some, you know, newer products. Here's some Dark and Lovely anti-shrinkage clumping curl cream gel for $2. And then they also have the length retention refreshing scalp cleanser. Oh, that's interesting. Made with jojoba and peppermint. I think I'm gonna get this. Oh, look at these cute little headbands. It says soft plush headband, steer clears, and these are by the Cream Shop for $2. It's basically just a headband. So they have the pink with the gray, or you can get the pink and white. Those are cute. Oh my gosh, I took a stroll down the toy section right here. Oh, look, they got Barney. I used to let my two older sons who are in their 20s, they were Barney watchers. I still remember all of the songs. This is only $9.99, and you get a chef hat. So the child can wear their own little chef hat. That is so cute. Oh, I don't know. Do I want that? I don't think I need it, but no, because Pooh Bear doesn't even really know who Barney is, even though I do still have some of the videos. And then they also have this one that you can get a police hat. Oh, cute. Cute. Definitely cute for Christmas. They still got these fingerlings for $5. I remember when these things came out. Boy, people was going crazy over these things. And at this moment, I'm wondering why I am in the toy section. Oh, I remember when these came out too. At Walmart. First place I seen them. You get the little squishy and a costume so you can switch out their clothes. They got a few of them. Wow. Perfect time to Christmas shop. We still have these. The little Orbeez. And they got some of the Tsum Tsums. I have never, okay, now out of all the Tsum Tsums I've had, I've never seen Miss Piggy. Look at her. I've never seen that Tsum Tsum. That's my first time. Okay, they still have these. The Scrooge McDuck, little different characters. Cheshire Cat, Lilo, Queen of Hearts. Lots of cute little toys. Oh, look at Mickey Mouse. Uh-oh, that's gonna fall. I'm not sure what's inside of them, but that's cute. Oh wait, here's one right here. Let's see what it is. Oh, it comes with some playing cards for $2. That's adorable. Oh, okay. Remember I showed you guys these in my last walkthrough? Those are the little candles for $2.49. What is this? I'm trying to move this stuff. Is that, oh, look at those candles. And it's actually a pumpkin. This is my first time seeing these. $2.99. What is that on the side? Oh, that's cute. So it looks like a little pumpkin house. I like that. Maybe I'll get that. Okay, the top doesn't go on like it's supposed to. Yeah, it does. Okay. Those are cute. There's a few of them back there. I'm trying to strain my neck to see. They don't have orange. I'm gonna finish my walkthrough and then I think I'm gonna come back and get one of those. Oh, this is pretty. $2.49. I only see that color. And these were candles as well. Spa Carmen. These are 99¢. And lots of little things over here. They keep bringing these in different styles. They're cute though. They're $4. They do have it in silver. That is actually really pretty. And then they got a bunch of little stuff over here. Look at that little sheep. The hands. Little thumbs up. You got some unicorns, mermaid tails, and all of that down there. Okay, you guys remember when I showed you these mirrors right here? I actually put 2 of them in my bedroom, and I put 1 of them in one of my son's rooms because I couldn't find another one to make 2. And look at this, now I find another one for $7.99. I am definitely buying this because these sold out so fast, and I love these. Yeah, I need that. Now they got a lot of little pictures. This one says a girl should be 2 things, classy and fabulous. This is $4, and you can hang up all kind of little stuff up there. And they got these like shadow boxes that you can put 2 pictures in. Really nice, $2.99. You can hang them up like that, or just sit them on something. And they have that black, and they also have this natural wood and white. Oh, look at these little cork board pictures. Well, they look like cork. They're $3. You got that giraffe, you got that horse. I see the Eiffel Tower. Actually, that's a unicorn. These are cute. Okay, now I'm walking down the Halloween section, which I'm gonna go past because I saw most of this stuff and I showed you guys most of it. Those cute little dolls. Oh, look at that. I didn't see that one. That's really cute. He got his little hat on and everything, and they put that one on a pumpkin. Okay. Decorative pillow, little tapestry pillows. I'm surprised they still have these little candy bowls. Remember I showed you guys my Frankenstein one? Because I think I seen these at where was I at? Home Goods, something close to those, and they were like $25–30, and they're only like $7 here. Okay, you guys, I think that's gonna be it in here today. These are cute little candle holders. I bet you those are really cute when they get lit up. Yeah, so I'm gonna get out of here. I'm seeing a few new finds. Oh, these are the glass pumpkins. I thought those were pretty. $2 for those. Oh, look at that. That's kind of cool. It says boo. Okay, but I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough, and I will talk to you real soon in my next video. Okay, bye. Oh, look, they put out their nutcrackers for Halloween. Look at his ears. You got the Frankenstein, the cute little witch, and even a skeleton. Those are funny.